Introducing the sleek and stylish 2022 Kia Picanto X-Line S in eye-catching yellow. With only 1,282 miles on the clock, this automatic hatchback is perfect for city driving. Packed with features like Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and parking assistance, this car offers both comfort and convenience. Safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags, and anti-collision system. Plus, the chrome package and spoiler add a touch of flair. Rest assured, with a full health and safety check and comprehensive warranty, don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Call us or visit kenbrownmotors.co.uk for more information.